Hi guys, welcome to my cooking show. I am Kelsey, also known as Goree Mam, white girl in Hindi. So today what we're going to be making is chutney, which is a yogurt based sauce that a lot of Indians use with their food. What we're going to be eating with tonight is kebabs and paratha. So what I'm going to show you tonight is just how to make it. It's really basic. The yogurt I'm using is whole milk yogurt, and we're going to put about 2 heaping spoonfuls of this in our bowl. I'll put a little bit more actually. So of course the amount of yogurt you use will depend upon how much chutney you're trying to make. Okay, so we have our chutney. Now this is a paste I made myself, but it's very easy to find already made in the store. This paste is a mixture of green chilies, coriander, and mint leaves. In this particular paste that I made, I put a cup of mint, a half cup of coriander, and 1 green chili, and then I just blend it all up with a little bit of water. You'd only want enough water to make it like it's still a pretty thick texture. So this is pretty powerful, so you want to use a smaller amount, and then you can always add to it. You can see I have the fresh mint and coriander here. Coriander is just cilantro. Coriander and cilantro are the exact same thing. So you mix both of this together very well, and then it already starts to have a nice green color. And I like to kind of, I don't like big chunks, so I try to make it as smooth as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest in because I like it to be pretty strong. But of course you'll want to taste it first yourself before doing it. All right, so you can see now that we've incorporated the paste in here with it. It looks really nice and smooth. Now, you can eat it like this, but a lot of people think that it's, a lot of people like to have it a little sweet. So what I usually do is this right here is a half teaspoon, and that's, I do about 2 of these. So we're gonna add about a teaspoon of sugar. Of course, chutney is extremely versatile, so depending upon your particular taste buds, you can add more, add less. Sometimes if I'm on a no sugar diet, I will completely choose to omit the sugar, and it's still very good. The last thing we want to do is add a little water, because when we go to eat it with our paratha or kebab, we don't want it to be too thick. And you can see now if you zoom in a little close, it's pretty thick. So I'm just gonna add a little water. Right now I have a half cup of water in here, but I'm only gonna add probably a teaspoon of water. It's probably more like a half teaspoon of water. You definitely don't want it to be too thin, so add your water a little bit at a time. And then mix it up. I'll add just a little bit more to thin it out. And this is gonna be very delicious with our kebabs. Actually, my boyfriend made the kebabs today, homemade. So I'll show you a final picture at the very end of the whole meal that we're having. And yes, my boyfriend is Indian, if you were wondering. And I did live in India for 6 months, but by no way am I a Indian cooking connoisseur. I'm just learning, and it's fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste a little bit. I'm gonna add a little more sugar. This doesn't taste as sweet as I would like it, because clearly I'm not on a no sugar diet right now. So I actually just added a teaspoon and a half more. So now I have a total of 2.5 teaspoons in the mixture. Rule number 1 for at-home cooking is to have your hair down and not have a hairnet in, obviously. Cheesy. So let me try it now. Ooh, perfect. Perfect. And that is as easy as can be. So I hope you make it, and I hope you like it. And I'll show you a picture of our final meal here in a little bit. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make mint chutney with me. I will be making more videos in the future, so please comment below what you would like to see, and please feel free to like and share this video. See you later.